everyone and welcome to episode 1 of the Hair Necessities. My name's Lisa Marie. I'm not a trained hairstylist, I am just a dance teacher who has spent a lifetime learning how to do creative stuff with hair. And it's my goal here to just give you an idea of how you can be a little bit more adventurous with your hairstyles for dance classes, performances and rehearsals. So we're going to start today with probably the most basic of basic hairdos, which is the bun. And because it's so basic, I'm going to treat you to 3 ways to do it today. So, ballet bun, 3 ways. Let's get started. So we're going to start with method 1, which is the minimal accessories line. So the things that you're going to need will be a hairbrush, 2 regular hair elastics, so these kind of jobbies that have fabric around them, 1 clear elastic, and then a couple of hairpins. Now you have a couple of options when it comes to hairpins. You can either go for the kind of regular, these kind of things, or my favourite are called spin pins, and they look like this. So they're kind of like a little spiral that go into the hair. I can do 2 of these in place of 4 regular hairpins. These are dirt cheap. You can pick them up off Amazon. They're amazing. I love them. So we're going to start with good foundations, and this is going to be the same for every single one of the 3 buns that we do today. Really good foundations will keep your bun in place all day. Those of you who did ballet as a child will remember going into the little waiting room and someone's mum would be in there and they would spray your hair with water, rake it back, tie it into a bun, put about 20 different hair grips into it, and then spray half a can of hairspray on top to get it to stay in place. Well, you don't need to do that anymore, and I'm going to show you how. So we're going to start by just brushing the hair back so that it's sweeping away. So we're actually going to put 2 regular hair ties into this, and this will give us that foundation. If we just sweep all the hair up into a ponytail, as we move around, this will fall down. So what we're going to do is get your 2 pointer fingers and put them at the front of your ears, like this. And we're going to sweep up to the place where you want your bun to sit. So I'm going straight up to the crown on this one. Get your brush and sweep it back. Obviously you can do a messier version if you would like. So we're going to get a regular hair elastic and tie that in place. Done. So second step, we are now going to sweep the rest of the hair up to meet that elastic. And then take your second hair tie, I use a thicker one for this one, and pop it in place. Lovely. So from here we are going to twist the ponytail. So twist and wrap it around the base of your hair elastics. So twist and wrap. Keep going with that. Twist and wrap. Then when you get to these little end bits, just kind of tuck those in underneath. Then I use spin pins, so pop it in and twist Now, truth be told, that is now not going anywhere at all. Although you can see it. 2 seconds, let me sort this out. There we go. So we have a flat ballet bun. Let me give you all sides. So let's move on to hair bun number 2, which is still going to be a high bun, but this time we're going to incorporate accessories. So accessory number 1 is the hair donut. Now these are amazing. I think I picked this up for 80p in Primark. They come in all sorts of sizes. So this is like a medium sized one. Then this is a big one. And they also come in little diddy ones. These ones are great for space buns. They're fabulous. So we're going to need a donut, clear elastic, which we didn't use last time. Now we are going to need regular hairpins on this one. So we want the ones that look like this. And then if you have one, a really good investment is a bun net. Now these are particularly good if you have lots of short layers cut into your hair. So we're going to start with step number 1, which is to get your hair into the high ponytail exactly as you did before. So fingers at the front of the ears, slide up, hair elastic, scoop the rest up, hair elastic. And we are going to slot your fingers through and thread your ponytail through the donut. Then move the hair so that it covers the donut. Don't worry too much if there are any gaps, because you can always sort that out later. And once you're happy with it, we get a clear elastic and we're going to pop it over the top to kind of anchor it in place. And you're done! No, I'm joking. So from here, we are going to sweep the rest of the hair around. And again, don't worry if this is too messy at the moment, because our bun net will hide a multitude of sins. So just keep sweeping it around, make it as clean as you can. Then we get our bun net and just pop it over the top and kind of tuck it under, and from there grab your hairpins. I do 4, so hairpins, push it down and then in, especially if you're catching the donut. So sideways, down, then across. Down and across. And your final one, which goes at the back. And there we have it. Nice high ballet bun. Now you can get a little bit jazzy with this and include some bling. So I love these kind of things. Because I'm a dance teacher, I'm usually facing away from my students because we have mirrors in our studio, so they see the back of my head a lot. So what I often like to do is take 2, and let's see if I can do this without a mirror. So from the front, professional ballet bun. From the back, a bit of bling. And look, number 3 today is going to be a low bun with a parting. So exactly as we did before, we're going to put 2 hair elastics in to give us that really good foundation. If you put your hair bun right at the bottom, you've actually got nothing for the pins to go into kind of under here. So what we're going to do is exactly the same as we did before. Let me just make sure I've got all my bits and bobs. So we're going to take the little hair elastic, fingers at the fronts of your ears, and we're going to pull it back. Now I tend to do mine fairly horizontally so that we end up with this kind of 3/4 of your hair in a ponytail. Then we're going to get our bigger hair elastic and pull everything else up into it. Take our bun, so there we have it. Ballet bun 3 ways. I would love to see your recreations, so please do tag us in any of your photos. Leave us a comment and let us know exactly how you thought this tutorial went. Did you like it? Is there anything you'd like to see more of? Do you have any requests for hairstyles that you'd like us to do? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Links will be in the description box. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time on the Hair Necessities.